I'm starting recording now.
Okay.
I don't care.
This is what my iPod looks like. It's a piece of shit. Yes, very crappy. It doesn't work anymore. So we're gonna play basketball with it and see how well it does.
You're a fucking idiot!
Thank you.
Out the fence.
Out the fence.
Dumbass of a failure right there.
Here's Nick walking by like an idiot.
I don't even know where it went.
It's out by the soccer net.
Here's Nick walking, and he's an idiot for throwing it over the fence.
Walk it in. Just throw it back in here.
Unable to zoom. What the fuck?
Throw it.
Nick throws it. Oh fuck.
Flying phone.
Hit the fence, didn't it?
Yeah.
Nothing happened to it still.
Obviously, you gotta actually smash it.
Fence. Let it land in here.
Woo! Screen came off.
Oh my god. There
Oh
goes
my
the
god.
screen. Nice. That's a
Oh
good
my god. Oh my god.
It's amazing.
It's amazing how this thing lives still. Smash it more. Hey!
The glass is still intact at the bottom of it.
Yeah, no.
There it goes.
Woohoo!
Ah, fuck, I just cut myself. That piece of glass stuck in me.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's like the amazing iPod.
Yeah, that's the amazing iPod. And I just got a piece of glass stuck in me right there.
Ah! Ew?
Pull it out. There we go.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, so, piece of shit iPod. So yeah, you can pause it now.
Oh.